Hello, welcome to our channel. In this video we'll learn how to use the VLOOKUP function. Let's start our video. Here I have a huge data column, which has a huge number of data about countries and opposite numbers about them. Let's start how to add the VLOOKUP function. Under the table, type any one of the countries. In my case I typed Finland. Go to the next cell and type equals VLOOKUP, then open parenthesis, then select the first cell, then type comma, then select the whole table data, then comma, then type 2, then comma, then type false, then close parenthesis. At last press enter, so it gives the value aside Finland. If you type any other country at the first cell like Sweden, it will give the value of it. Try another one like Germany. Nice. It is work well.
Please subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.